Today, I'm excited to show you again how to make crispy hollow fried dough, which is also called youtiao. This recipe is super easy to follow. It's different from what you might expect regarding ingredients, shaping, frying oil, and the entire process. There are no weird flavors involved. They stay crispy even after the fried bread dough cools down. It is also have a soft and chewy interior with a hollow honeycomb structure. Spring has finally arrived, and my wonderful husband Italy Paul, known for his Italy Paul art, has gathered 32 gorgeous tulip flowers from our garden to fill 2 large vases. The table looks so much more appealing and festive now. These tulips, if freshly picked from the farm, cost £1 each. It's a bit expensive, but I totally get that the farmer works really hard, so it's absolutely worth it. This recipe yields 8 pieces. In a bowl, combine 90 grams of cold milk, 2 teaspoons which is 12 grams of sugar, half teaspoon about 2 grams of dried yeast, and 125 grams of cake flour, or you can use plain flour instead, mixed with half teaspoon of baking powder. On the side, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but make sure not to mix the salt directly with the baking powder and yeast. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl, or use a bread maker instead for convenience way, to knead the dough and let it ferment by using the dough setting, about at 30 to 45 minutes. If you are not hurry, keep in the fridge for 1 more hour. You can make your own cake flour at home just using 2 ingredients. Check it out the video recipe link on this video below description box. You can also use plain flour for this recipe, but to use cake flour, it will stay really soft on the inside even after it cools. On the other hand, if you use bread flour, it'll be extra chewier because of the high gluten content. If you have any leftover fried breadsticks, simply keep them in an airtight container in the freezer. When you are ready to enjoy them, there is no need to salt. Just throw them directly into the air fryer or oven to heat up and pair them with rice congee, which is the best. If you prefer them plain, it's ideal to consume them on the same day. Frozen fried breadsticks that are reheated can only be served with rice congee or soup noodles. It's easy to shape the dough like this way. Let it rest for second fermentation at least 15 minutes to an hour before deep frying. If you want the texture with hollow inside, it's important to enough fermentation, a basic secret. In the pan, pouring some olive oil for frying, not the salad kind. This is the best cooking oil I've found so far, for frying, cooking, and baking. Medium-high heat for at least 3 minutes. One by one dough on the oil and use the chopstick to move on the dough to make it puffs. Keep an eye on it until they puff up and turn golden brown. Beware your hands are all dry, no water. It's dangerous if any water drop onto hot oil. There's no smoky oil taste. Good control your frying temperature. Wear sunglasses to not hurt your eyes. The kitchen also less greasy feel. Make sure kitchen is all window open and good ventilation. Now you can make your own crunchy, airy fried bread dough, which is what youtiao means in Chinese. Drain them in kitchen paper. If you don't know to clip chopsticks, then don't use it. My absolute favorite way to enjoy plain and see the textures while eating, and with sencha or jasmine green tea, or it's perfect to eat fried breadsticks cut into pieces and put over the top with rice congee for a brunch. Happy cooking, happy eating, and have a wonderful weekend. Goodbye, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video. Leaving a like and comments really helps support my channel and encourages me to create more delicious recipes for you all. Thanks for watching.